Okay. So next would be people who want challenge packs, and you always want to try to get them a challenge pack, because that has absolutely everything they need for their journey: the nutrition, the fitness, and then of course the support from you. So plus it will give you Success Club points, which in the long term helps, especially when you get up to bonus and diamond and star diamond and like higher ranks. You get bonus pools and all that kind of stuff. So it works like I said, it's awesome. And with Success Club, so it's always motivation for you to push hard and always be giving people the best options possible. Okay, and so when they are getting the nutrition and the fitness together plus the support, it's really starting them off on the right foot, and it's just the best, just good. It's good, right? Okay, so in order to do that, you can do it yourself, and with the new platform that Beachbody has put out, they have, let me just get out of here, they have a share a cart thing now. So when you go in, I'm going to share, but when you go into your Team Beachbody, oh, where'd you go? You go into your Team Beachbody, share my screen, Team Beachbody page, share screen. Okay, here we go. Hide myself here. Then you have a thing here, so you sign in. You can go to hover over coach and go down to this one, and you go share a cart Canada. Okay, or yeah, it might be US as well, but if it's share a cart Canada, okay, so you're going to go to new enrollment and order, and you're going to need their email and their name. Okay, so let's just pretend I'm going to do this is another email I have. Okay, so I'm going to sign myself up with one, but not actually, just to show you. So you fill out you get their email, their name, which one they're in. So if it's a US client, you're going to do US. If it's Canada, Canada. If it's someone from the UK, you're going to go UK. But I'm going to do Canada because that's where I'm from. You need to always click yes, I have permission, and this is where you can enroll them as a coach or as a customer. And now with the challenge packs, usually it's $49.95 Canadian to sign up as a coach on their own. But if they sign up with a challenge pack, then that $50 fee is waived. Okay, and so for the first order, they don't get the 25% off, but every order after that, they will get 25% off as the coach discount price. Okay, so we're just going to do customer for now and go continue. Sorry, it's almost time to feed. Okay, so you can actually sign them up with absolutely anything. Now, before it used to just be challenge packs, but now you can get them, like get a cart ready for them for anything. So if they want a challenge pack, you're going to go challenge packs. And it's going to come up with all the challenge packs that we have. Okay, and so if they're already a Beachbody On Demand member, then you can do completion packs, so that's getting them the Portion Fix, Shakeology, or Performance line. If they want the Beachbody On Demand All Access challenge pack, that you'd go here. If they want the DVDs, say like TurboFire, you'd click TurboFire. But because we are really into 80-Day Obsession, we're just going to click on the 80-Day Obsession one. Okie dokie. And so then it's going to bring up all the different challenge packs for 80-Day Obsession, starting with the first one. So it's 80-Day Obsession, the Mega, so they get the Performance, the Shakeology, and the BOD and all that kind of stuff. But you go down the line, right? So then it goes to the combo, which is the Shakeology and the Performance, and then just the Shakeology and All Access, and then just the Performance and All Access. And then the completion packs also are in here as well. But let's just do BOD and Shakeology. That's the main one. So we're going to click on that. And because the $10, it's $10 off, so promo price is $200 for the year and for all of this stuff, okay? So then you're gonna choose what Shakeology flavor, so make sure they know what flavor they want. And usually we do single bags to start, because that's, you get 30 servings per bag, or 24 servings in packets, but bags is the best way to go, okay? And then flavor, chocolate vegan. Serving size, still gonna do bag, but you can always ask them. But if they want the best bang for their buck, you'd probably get them the bag first, and then you could say each month they can get whatever. And then we're just going to go add to cart. So then it's going to say, review the cart, make sure it's good. It says this cart was created for whoever, name, it shows what it is, and then all you're gonna do is go send email, which I will send because it's not going to charge me anything. And then it's going to, you're going to get an email in your Coach account that says complete your order. And they're going to get, that's the same email. So you'll see the email that they will get, and you'll just tell them, okay, an email has been sent to your account. You just need, or sent to your email. All you need to do is fill in your information, which is the billing and shipping. Click submit, and you're good to go. And you will get successful points. So right now you can do everything for them yourself, okay? You can also copy the link for the cart, send it to them that way as well. And then you can always check order statuses to see how, like, what it's done. So it's at, right now it says sent. When they opened it, it will say in progress or something, and it will say when you sent it. Okie dokie. So that is how you share a cart. So if they just wanted Shakeology, you can go in here, just click on the Shakeology. If they just wanted a DVD pack, you can go into the DVD packs, get everything signed up, and then that way you are guaranteed that it is under you as well. Okie dokie. So let me just stop sharing here. And that is how you can create the carts for your customers, your clients. Any other questions? Just let me know.